And then there's the whole world of human versus synthetic. I have found that in wigs, there are some, it's more about the base material and how the wig's made, but there's some synthetic fibers that I actually did a consultation and sold a wig a couple of days ago, and I was trying it on the lady, and the tag didn't say if it was human or synthetic. And so it didn't say it on the big tag, but on the box, but it said it on the little tag inside the wig, but it was already on her head. And she goes, now, is this human or synthetic? I said, I'm not really sure. I mean, I couldn't tell.
That good.
Oh, it's so crazy. I said,
they've really been working on the technology.
Well, I said, I know from the price and where I bought this, because I got a bunch of them on the wall, I'm pretty sure it's synthetic. She goes, no way. I said, I know. That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's not the hair that is so obvious these days. It's how it's made. And so there's a lot of steps in between, but I am selling wigs more than ever lately because synthetic looks so freaking good. There's somebody in your area that I'm getting ready to get some wigs for, that I got to kind of give you some advice on what to do with them when you get them, because he called me yesterday and we're getting some sent your way. But the old wiggy look was a flowery cap underneath. It was supposed to be comfortable. And then they made it out of wefts. And then they put these short frizzy hairs all on the scalp with the long hairs, because when you parted the hair and you looked, they didn't want you to see scalp because the scalp didn't look real. It looked like a fake wig base. So they put these fuzzy hairs in there. But a lot of old ladies that were wearing wigs way back when they were invented, I say invented, I mean, that's hundreds of years, but popularized in this century.
Commercialized and popularized.
They were teasing their hair a lot. So they were getting that little cushion base near their scalp anyway, because they were doing it to make the hair look thicker. That's another styling technique we didn't talk about. Just teasing to look thicker, because you hide the scalp. But people stopped teasing, but the wigs are still made that way. So now if you do a wig where the knotting is done better, where it looks like each individual hair coming out the base of a base that looks like a scalp. Is that better? A lace, potentially. I was trying to say lace and base at the same time. Well, now it'll look like it's coming right out of your head. It doesn't matter if it's synthetic or human. The fact that synthetics look so good now, it can be so much less expensive and look really good and give you more options. Of course, some downsides to both human and synthetic, depending on what's going on. But the fact that the bases are endless now. They can be old-fashioned flowery cap, and you can get a wig for like $100, $150, or you can buy one for $2,000 or $3,000, or get into human, which is in the thousands, or low-quality human. But just a real good synthetic wig is a great option.